Hi everybody, it's Katosa's Trading. Yes, I'm back doing videos. My wife gave birth to our second child. Mother and baby are doing well, so that took up a little bit of my time. I was just doing the regular blog posts, but now I'm back doing videos on educational and outlooks on trade setups and trading. So let's get down to business, looking at the euro on a daily chart. And we're looking at what's been setting up and where we think that we can head in the euro in the near term. Okay, so right now I'm going to grab a Fibonacci tool, going to pop it in from this 138.30 mark down here where the buying started. Take it up to the 143 area, 143.03, which was this high on this bar here where the buying stopped, and from there you can see that we had a very clean setup of a pullback back into this ambush zone here. It came back to the 140 level, touched it for 2 days and then bounced. So we had the bounce was a great candle the day after, and then yesterday's action really propelled it even further. We broke through the 143 mark and we traded up to the 23.6% extension and went a little bit beyond that, went through to 144.30s, I think it was the high yesterday, and we look like as though we may have a little bit of consolidation. If we look here at these indicators, the Williams R and the stochastics, suggesting that it's a little bit stretched in the near term. Okay, but I've got some targets that I'm looking at, and that would be the 61.8% extension on this, which would take us to the 146 mark. So I excuse me, reduce this down. You can see here the 146 level is the 61.8 extension level, and that's where I'm targeting right now. We have got a bigger high that needs to get through before we can say that we've got a lot of blue sky, and that would be the 147 mark, 147.20s, and that's somewhere where, for those pattern traders, would be the top of that big head and shoulders formation that we need to get through, which would also put a double top there if we stop there. So we need to get through 147.20s before there's blue sky. But near term, I'm just looking at this 61.8% extension, which is the 146 area. And for those that aren't in a trade right now and are looking to enter, how could you enter this position? Well, I think we need to have a look at this in a shorter zone, ambush, micro ambush, and we would look at taking the Fibonacci tool and taking it from the most recent lows up to yesterday's highs. I take these other Fibonacci's off, so we know that we're looking at 146. Now, as a good entry, I would say that if you wanted to look at this micro, you would say that 141.75, 141.80s is the 61.8% pullback of this new mini ambush zone. Then if you wanted to even look at it further, because you're saying that, okay, I honestly think, in my honest opinion, that 143 is going to present support for the euro now, so you might not even see this this micro ambush fulfilled or even play out. So if that's the case, what you can do is you can look at yesterday's price action, okay, and look at high to low there, okay, and I'll show you this on a smaller time frame. You would say that And there you have it, the magic number 143. That brings us to 61.8% retracement. On yesterday's candle brings us to 143, and I think that's a good point to enter if you're not already in this macro ambush play. So now I'm going to show you this on a 60-minute chart, and you'll see how it looks like a very good setup. So I've left those Fibonacci's on. I'm going to reduce this now. No, I haven't, sorry, they've gone. So let me put them back on. So that brings us down to these lows here. Sorry, here. Yesterday's price action to the high. And you can see, there you have it. A pullback to the 61.8%. is here, puts us in this 143 mark, which is where I would think that you would find some support for the euro, and ultimately we would be looking to see extension from there back to the 61.8% extension on that bigger macro picture, which puts us at a target of 146. Obviously that's our ultimate extension, so from there on in, or up to there, we would be scaling out of positions if you entered at the 143 mark. So hope that helps. Stick to your stops until the next update.